In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a reminder on iPhone, and I'll also cover some tips and tricks that I'm going to give you about creating reminders and staying productive, including the tip and trick you can get to include your reminders on your home screen even when your phone's turned off. So what you need to do is go to the Reminders app on your phone. Once you're here, you will see something like this. If not, you might be in New Reminder, so you can just cancel out. Now you've got Today, Scheduled, All, and Complete. Now, when I've completed a reminder, I remove it and delete it, so my complete box is going to be empty. But if you wanted to create a reminder, go ahead and click Create Reminder or New Reminder in the bottom left-hand corner. Then you can go ahead and enter in a title of this reminder. So let me say we need to call Steve. If we need to call Steve, we can go ahead and enter a reminder here, and any notes or things that are going to be relevant for the reminder, maybe notes for the call, I can include here. Steve likes football. Okay, so now we've got notes for the call. We can go to the details section, and in details, you can set the reminder to go off at a specific date, time, or location, and you can change the priority here as well. So if we go to date, we could set it for, let's say we've got the call on Wednesday, the 18th of June. We can then go to time, and we can set a very specific time. So if we've got the call at 12, what it's going to do is it's going to alert us 30 minutes before the call. So it's going to alert us at 11:30, obviously. Now, obviously, you can set this to 11, so it alerts you 30 minutes before 11. It all depends really on how much time you need to get ready for your reminder. You can then choose if you want this to repeat. Maybe this is a daily reminder. You can set it to daily and use these features here. You've then got the location tab, which I never use, and then you got the priority tab. This is basically going to show the reminder more and more, and it's going to make it harder to get rid of if you put it on high. This might be good for you, but you can go ahead and click add in the top right hand corner, and it will add the reminder to all. Now at this time, the reminder will go off, and you're essentially just going to get a reminder on your phone like a usual notification. Another thing that you're going to find useful, if you scroll down to notifications, you can then go ahead and find the Reminders notification app. And then once you've found it, you can turn on allow notifications, you can turn on time sensitive notifications, you can add all of these alerts here so the reminder comes up all the time on your phone. You can keep it persistent. This is what I've got, so all of my reminders are actually going to show when my phone is turned off. So you can play around with these settings here, but that is how you can create a reminder and add it to the start of your phone.